The 2026 Bentley Speed Six is not just a car, it's a rolling time machine, a handcrafted resurrection of one of the most dominant racing machines in automotive history. In a world obsessed with electrification, digital dashboards, and autonomous driving, Bentley has done something completely unexpected. It has gone back nearly a century and brought a legend back to life with absolute authenticity, precision, and respect for. What makes the 2026 Speed Six so fascinating is that it doesn't try to modernize the past, it preserves it. This is not a resto mod, not a reinterpretation, and certainly not a futuristic redesign. Instead, Bentley has essentially continued production of a car that originally ruled the late 1920s and early 1930s, maintaining the same spirit, engineering philosophy, and even mechanical limitations that defined its legacy. To understand the significance of this machine, you have to go back to the golden era of motorsport. The original Speed Six was introduced in 1928 as a high-performance evolution of Bentley's 6.5-liter platform. It quickly became the brand's most successful racing car, dominating endurance racing and winning the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans in both 1929, and these victories cemented Bentley's reputation for building cars that were not only fast but incredibly durable, machines built to endure, not. Fast forward to today, and Bentley's Mulliner division has painstakingly recreated this icon. The 2026 Speed Six continuation series is limited to just 12 units, all of which were sold before production even began, alone tells you everything you need to know about its desirability. This is not a car for casual buyers, it's for collectors, historians, and passionate enthusiasts who understand the value of automotive heritage. Bentley Media. What's truly remarkable is the level of detail involved in recreating the Speed Six. Bentley didn't rely on guesswork or artistic interpretation. Instead, engineers and craftsmen studied original blueprints, scanned surviving cars, and analyzed period-correct materials to ensure every was as accurate as possible. Around 80% of the original drawings were sourced from historical archives, while additional insights came from original mechanic notes and surviving race cars. Obsessive attention to detail ensures that the 2026 model is as close as you can get to owning a brand new car from 1930. BentleyMedia.com. Under the hood lies a massive 6.5-liter straight-six engine, a design that feels almost alien in today's era of downsized turbocharged units. This engine produces around 205 horsepower, which might not sound impressive by modern standards, but numbers don't tell the full story here. The experience of driving this car is raw, mechanical, and completely immersive. There are no driver aids, no electronic safety nets, just you, the machine, and the road. Every aspect of the driving experience demands skill and attention. The gearshift is manual and requires precise timing, the brakes are primitive compared to modern systems, and the steering is heavy and direct. But that's exactly the point. This car isn't about convenience, it's about connection. It forces you to engage with driving in a way that modern cars simply don't. Visually, the 2026 Speed Six is breathtaking. Its long bonnet, upright grille, and exposed mechanical elements create a presence that's both elegant and intimidating. This is a car that commands attention without needing flashy LED lights or aggressive aerodynamic features. It represents a time when design was driven by function and craftsmanship rather than marketing trends. The interior follows the same philosophy. Instead of touchscreens and digital displays, you'll find analog dials, handcrafted materials, and a level of simplicity that feels almost refreshing. The use of authentic materials, including period-correct leather and paint finishes, ensures that every detail feels genuine. About luxury in the modern sense, it's about authenticity. BentleyMedia.com. One of the most interesting aspects of the Speed Six is its purpose. Unlike many classic cars that are preserved and rarely driven, this continuation model is designed to be used. Owners are encouraged to drive it, race it, and experience it as it was originally intended. This transforms the car from a static collector's item into a living, breathing piece of history. However, owning a Speed Six is not without its challenges. For starters, it's not exactly practical. It lacks many basic features we take for granted today, including weather protection and modern safety systems. Also not strictly road legal in many regions, which limits where and how it can be used. But again, practicality isn't the point here. What you're really buying is an experience, something that transcends traditional notions of value. With a price tag reportedly around £1.5 million or more, this is one of the most exclusive and expensive cars Bentley has yet. For the lucky few who own one, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in history. The Speed 6 also highlights Bentley's broader philosophy. Even as the company moves toward an electric future, it continues to celebrate its past. This balance between heritage and innovation is what makes Bentley unique. The Speed 6 serves as a reminder of where the brand came from, even as it looks ahead to where. There's also something deeply emotional about this car. In an age where technology often separates us from the driving experience, the Speed 6 brings us back to the fundamentals. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place: the sound, the feel, the connection. And perhaps that's the most important takeaway. The 2026 Bentley Speed 6 isn't trying to compete with modern supercars or luxury sedans. It exists in its own category, one that prioritizes emotion, craftsmanship, and history over speed and convenience. It's a car that tells a story of endurance, innovation, and passion. From its Le Mans victories to its modern-day revival, the Speed 6 represents everything that makes Bentley special. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of what's possible when engineering and artistry come. In the end, the 2026 Bentley Speed 6 is more than just a continuation of a classic. It's a celebration of an era, a tribute to the pioneers of motorsport, and a reminder that sometimes, the best way forward is to look back.